Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us start our activity 4, that is sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. We have to prove this. Objective of this activity is to verify the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree experimentally. Materials required for this activity are cardboard, white paper, tracing paper, cutter or scissors, geometry box, adhesive, sketch pens, color drawing sheet. Prerequisite knowledge. Concept of quadrilateral and its properties. Here in this figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral. Theory behind this activity: a closed figure having 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 vertices is called a quadrilateral. Here the term quad means 4 and term laterals means sides. So the term quadrilateral means a figure bounded by 4 sides. In a quadrilateral ABCD, AB, BC, CD and DA are the 4 sides. A, B, C and D are the 4 vertices. Angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D are the 4 angles formed at vertices. Then terms related to quadrilateral. Opposite sides. 2 sides of a quadrilateral which do not intersect, that means have no common endpoint or vertex, are called opposite sides. In quadrilateral ABCD, ABCD and BCDA are 2 pairs of opposite sides. Consecutive or adjacent sides. 2 sides of a quadrilateral which have a common point, that means they intersect each other, are called consecutive sides. In quadrilateral ABCD, ABBC, BCCD, CDDA and DAAB are 4 pairs of consecutive sides or adjacent sides. Then opposite angles. 2 angles of a quadrilateral are said to be opposite angles if they do not have a common arc. In quadrilateral ABCD, Angle A, angle C, and angle B, angle D are two pairs of opposite angles. Then consecutive or adjacent angles. Two angles of a quadrilateral are said to be consecutive or adjacent angles if they have a common arm. In quadrilateral ABCD, angle A, angle B, angle B, angle C, angle C, angle D, and angle D, angle A are four pairs of consecutive angles. Then diagonals. In a quadrilateral, the line segment joining the opposite vertices is called a diagonal of the quadrilateral. In quadrilateral ABCD, AC and BD are two diagonals. The sum of the four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So these are the properties of a quadrilateral or terms of a quadrilateral. So what is the procedure to verify the angle sum property of a quadrilateral? Take a piece of rectangular cardboard of suitable size and by using adhesive, paste a white paper on it. Cut out a quadrilateral from a drawing sheet and name it as ABCD. Now using adhesive, paste it on cardboard. Refer the figure. In this figure, the quadrilateral ABCD is pasted on a cardboard. Then make cutouts of angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D of quadrilateral ABCD with the help of tracing paper. Refer the figure given below. Then arrange the four cutout angles at point O. Refer the figure given below. In this way, you have to arrange the four cutout angles. Then demonstration. We came to know that the vertex of each cutout angle coincides at the point O. Such arrangement of cutouts indicates that the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral forms a complete angle, that is 360 degree. So the result of this activity, we have verified that the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is a complete angle, that is 360 degree. Thank you.